Hello, my name is Sheila Stormont, and I'm the chair of the English department here at Hill Murray. English teachers at Hill Murray are in the business of words and stories. Words and stories matter. Words and stories have the power to humanize. They have the power to denigrate. They have the power to humble. They have the power to heal. They're really our pathway to understanding the world around us, but also creating empathy for others. They push us to ask big questions about the world, such as,
what factors into our destiny?
How do you find beauty from tragedy?
How do we understand those who are different from us?
What is the nature of courage?
Of course, these are just a few of the many questions that your student will explore during his or her time here at Hill Murray. Zooming in a bit to our curriculum, here's what our series of courses looks like. You can see that we have two main tracks in English, Honors and Mainstream. So 9th and 10th grade years in Mainstream English provide that foundation for reading and writing that students really need to move on to more complex forms and texts. Junior year, writing and reading are split into separate semesters so that students can really focus in on and develop those respective skill sets. Junior students then take advanced writing their fall semester and have a choice of one of three lit classes, so classics, historical fiction, and nonfiction. Senior year, we continue that pattern, except with college-bound writing as the required fall course. In that class, students will compose their college app essays and really kind of develop workplace communication skills, such as writing emails and resumes. Switching to the honors track at Hill Murray, you can see that in 9th and 10th, it really mirrors that mainstream track. And then again, junior year, there's a change. Junior year honors English is also AP, or Advanced Placement, Language and Composition. That means that students can earn college credit by taking the course and then an exam in May. Their senior year, students can actually take another credit-bearing course, and that course can actually be taken as an AP class or dual enrollment class for transcript credit. College credit can also be earned through our CIS public speaking class. Outside of our core curriculum, we offer some really fantastic electives like film studies, creative writing, and yearbook. Our end goal when students walk outside Hill Murray's doors after graduation, we really want them to have the thinking skills and communication skills that young people need, whether that means crafting pieces of writing that move beyond the simplistic 5-paragraph essay structure into something more compelling and persuasive, or reading text analytically and critically, questioning the ideologies that undergird works of fiction, and identifying logical fallacies and arguments. Discussing topics productively, where students are pushed to acknowledge others' thoughts before adding their own into the mix. That's our curriculum in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me by email or phone. Thank you.